Hello and welcome, and this is the Enthusiast, and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S21 event. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and become a part of Big Tech family, because I'm uploading daily tech videos, and also turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So smash that like button, and with all that being said, let's continue with the topic. Samsung's next Unpacked event will kick off on January 14th at 10 AM ET, and thanks to copious leaks we have a pretty good idea of what to expect from the big day. Samsung is widely expected to announce its next lineup of flagship phones, which will likely be called the S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. The S21 Ultra is rumored to have top-of-the-line specs, cameras, and in a first for an S model Galaxy phone, support for the Samsung Galaxy S Pen stylus. The S21 and S21 Plus are expected to have similar specs, but will be different in size. A new set of true wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds Pro, and a tile-like item tracker, the Galaxy Smart Tag, also seem like a lock. Rumors about both products have hit the web recently, and they each showed up in a leaked pre-order ad for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And of course, Samsung might surprise us with things that we don't know about yet. Let's talk about the Ultra flagship first. The big new feature for the S21 Ultra is support for the S Pen stylus, as confirmed by Federal Communication Commission filings. However, the stylus is rumored to be an optional accessory, and the phone isn't rumored to have a dedicated slot to store it, unlike the company's Note series of phones. VinFuture posted images of an optional case that allows you to store the S Pen, though, so that might be a useful accessory to pick up to help you not lose the stylus. VinFuture also reports that the S Pen will just cost under 40 euros, which translates to just under $49. As for cameras, the Ultra will apparently have 4 back cameras, including 3x and 10x telephoto cameras, according to VinFuture. Both of those telephoto cameras are also expected to have optical image stabilization and a 10 megapixel resolution. The phone may also have Samsung's 10x space zoom feature that first debuted in the Galaxy S21, reports Android Police. The other 2 back cameras are rumored to be 108 megapixel wide-angle camera and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the selfie camera might be 40 megapixels. The phone could also have laser-assisted autofocus, something that was included with last year's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung's S21 lineup might run One UI 3.1, and a video from YouTuber Jimmy is Promo reveals some of the features that could be coming in the new update. The video, which apparently demonstrates One UI 3.1 running on the S21 Ultra, shows off a way to record from the front and rear cameras simultaneously. Some of the S Pen features that work on the S21 Ultra, backgrounds for the call screen, the ability to select video resolution from the video recording screen, and more. Samsung's rumored new tile-like Galaxy Smart Tag will apparently use Bluetooth to connect with devices and share its location. The tag itself looks to be a small square with rounded corners and a loop at the top to make it easier to attach to things, as shown in photos posted on the website of Taiwan's telecom regulator and shared by 91 Mobiles. The design in the photos also matches an image of the smart tag in the leaked ad of pre-order bonuses for the S21 Ultra. That's all for today's video, so thank you for watching, and all article sources are in video description. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and become part of Big Tech family, and turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So smash that like button and comment down below what is your opinion on today's topics. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.